through the parallel retrofit of a light fixture. You're going to need 4 pieces of wire stripped on the ends, small wire. You're going to need the same tools as I used in the series connection, an electrical tester, wire cutter stripper, a nut driver, a regular screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of diagonal side cutters, an assortment of wire nuts, and the parallel light fixture, which is different on the end. The schematic markings are different than the series. On this tube, you have the power coming in and the neutral coming in on the same side of the fixture. The opposite side of the fixture is only used as a bracket to hold the light bulb. So on this particular light, in my other video, I already disassembled and took the ballast out. So you're going to remove the center cover, same as the other video. Please refer to the other video.
And make sure the light is off.
Yes, please make sure your electric power to the light is off. Always use your tester. Hello. I don't know what's happening. Always use a tester. Make sure you have no electric coming into the light.
Correct.
Please be very safe with electric.
Right.
Now, like I said before, I already took the ballast out of this light. In the other video, I used this light to show the series hookup. Now we're going to go through the parallel hookup. Disconnect the wire nuts. On your power side of your light, you're going to have 4 wires. When we're done hooking up for the parallel light, we're going to have 8 wires. On the neutral side of your light, these connectors are only used as a bracket to hold the light into the fixture. You can cut your wires and get rid of them. You can use this wire to hook up this side of the light. On this side, you take a regular screwdriver and you pop the connectors out. If you look under the connectors, you have 4 wires with jumper wires. What I do is I use these 4 wires as my load to the parallel light. If you look in the middle here, you have jumper wires to the opposite side of the connector. These wires must be cut and removed. You take your cutters, cut them as close to you can to the unit. Then I take my regular screwdriver and I push these wires in so they're not shorting out against anything without doing that. Now if you look real closely in here, you have an extra hole on this side of the fixture. Okay? You want to take, what I do is I usually use the wires I took out from the other side. I cut the end even, then I put a new strip, or I strip the new wire about 1/4 of an inch. take these wires, you put them in that extra
And you have to keep it away from the wire you cut, so otherwise you're gonna short it out, right?
Well, these are not touching anything, so they shouldn't short out. This is the neutral side anyway.
Correct.
This is the side you have to worry about. I fold that back. The two red wires, the two blue wires are my power wires. I take them, I bring them to the middle, and I twist them. Bring them out evenly. I take my yellow wires and I do the same thing. Bring them to the end and to the middle. Bring them out. And I twist them. Now we're ready to reinstall our light bracket. Slide it in the light. Push down so the clamps are in. Take your 4 power wires, your 4 neutral wires. Twist them, hook them up to your neutral. I would suggest a red wire nut. Take your 4 black, your power wires. What I do is I cut them even. Give them a new bare wire, or strip them. Again, a red wire nut. Tuck your wires down in. I left the green wire nut on. If you have the ground wires without a wire nut, please put a wire nut on it for continuity.
And you are all finished, right?
You're all finished.
And replace with a cover.
Replace your cover. And now this light bulb is marked input on the end that goes to the power side. This side must be in the power side.
Alright, so whatever power side
There you go.
you have a hookup, that end will, where it says input, it will go there.
Right.
And other end will be just the dummy, which is just holding, you know.
A bracket to hold the light bulb.
Alright, so this is called the
This is the parallel
connection for the LED.
retrofit.
Retrofit and to use the LED bulbs, correct?
Correct.
And in this case also we are going to take out about 4 40 watts the fluorescent bulb, which is going to replace with only 2
16, 18
or 20 depending on the watts on the LED, which will save you definitely about 50 to 70% off on the
Correct.
energy bills. And that bulb will last long, about like a 5-6 times than the fluorescent one. So over the life of LED bulb, you will be saving the replacement cost of the CFL, which is about like if the maintenance person has to come,
It's about
replace it.
$30 a light fixture to replace the CFLs.
Yeah, CFL and all this. Sometime if you have in-house maintenance person, it's like about the $5 to $7, which you still have to replace 6-7 times of the CFL bulbs compared to the LED lifetime of the LED bulbs.
Correct.
Which will save you about $75 per bulbs. 2 bulbs is about like the $150 plus the ballast cost. So over the year of like 8 to 10 years of LED life, you will be saving about $150 to $200 more than that in a
Plus your
maintenance
disposable
cost.
cost of the ballast
Yeah, disposable cost of the ballast,
And
because it's
tubes.
environmental hazardous,
and tubes.
and the tube, say fluorescent tube also. Correct. And you're gonna have by replacing with LED, you're gonna have about 60 to 70% of energy savings. Correct.
Correct.
All right. So here we finish our the parallel connection of the LED retrofit over the fluorescent bulb. Thank you.
You're welcome.